Your phone can do way more than you think, and most people never discover these hidden tricks. Today, I am sharing 12 genuinely useful hacks that work on common iPhones and Androids. They will save you time, battery, and a few headaches. Stick around because number 9 is one I use almost every single day. Want your phone to charge faster when you are in a hurry? Switch on airplane mode while it is plugged in. With the radios turned off, your phone stops hunting for signal and Wi-Fi, so more of that power goes straight into the battery. It is a simple trick that noticeably speeds up a quick top-up before you head out. Editing text on a tiny screen is frustrating, but there is a better way. Press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard, then slide your finger around to drag the cursor exactly where you want it. On iPhone, this turns the keyboard into a trackpad, and Android keyboards like Gboard offer the same gliding control. No more poking at the screen trying to land between two letters. Hidden in your settings is a feature that turns the back of your phone into a button. On iPhone, look for Back Tap under Accessibility and Touch. And many Android phones have a similar Quick Tap option. You can set a double or triple tap to take a screenshot, open the camera, or trigger the flashlight. It feels like a secret shortcut nobody else knows about. You do not need to unlock your phone to grab a quick tool. Most lock screens have shortcuts for the flashlight and the camera built right in. On iPhone, press and hold those corner icons. And on Android, swipe to the camera or use the quick settings. It is perfect for fumbling with keys in the dark or catching a photo before the moment passes. Digging through pages of apps wastes your time. Just swipe down on your home screen to open a search bar instantly. Type a few letters and it finds apps, contacts, settings, and even content inside your phone. On iPhone, this is Spotlight, and on Android, it searches your app drawer and the web at once. If you type the same things over and over, let your phone do it for you. In your keyboard settings, you can create text replacements. So typing something like OMW instantly expands to On My Way. iPhone calls it text replacement, and Android keyboards have personal dictionaries or shortcuts. Set up your email address or a long phrase once and save yourself thousands of keystrokes. You already own a pocket scanner and probably never use it. Open the Notes app on iPhone or the Files and Drive apps on Android and look for the Scan Documents option. Point it at any paper and it captures a clean, cropped PDF you can sign and share. It is perfect for receipts, forms, and homework without ever touching a real scanner. Ever wanted to know what something in a photo actually is? Use reverse image search to find out. With Google Lens built into the camera or Google app, you can point at a plant, a product, or a landmark and get instant answers. You can also search any picture in your gallery to find where it came from or spot a fake. You do not need a special app to scan QR codes anymore. Just open your regular camera and point it at the code. A link will pop up on the screen, and you tap it to open the menu, website, or Wi-Fi details. This works on virtually every modern iPhone and Android right out of the box. When your battery is running low, flip on Low Power Mode on iPhone or Battery Saver on Android. It dials back background activity and visual effects to stretch your remaining charge much farther. You can turn it on manually from the quick settings or let it kick in automatically. That extra hour can be a lifesaver when you are far from a charger. Tired of spam and robocalls interrupting your day? Turn on the option to silence unknown callers. On iPhone, it lives in the phone settings, and Android offers spam filtering through the phone app. Calls from numbers not in your contacts go straight to voicemail without ringing, while real callers can still leave a message. Your phone finally goes quiet. This hack could genuinely help save a life. Set up your medical ID on iPhone or your emergency info on Android with allergies, blood type, and an emergency contact. First responders can view it from your lock screen without your passcode. It takes 2 minutes to fill out and gives real peace of mind for you and your family. And there you have it, 12 phone hacks you can start using today. Try a few out and see how much time and battery you save. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss the next round of tips. Drop your favorite hack in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.